grabe. Pero yun nga po, Yen, gusto ko lang din idagdag sa tanong sa'yo, anong, anong best na nangyari na ginawa mo dito sa
We have healing, we have healing. It's fine. Ang layo ng reach mo, pare. Masakit ka. Wait lang, awarded na to. Awarded na tong andito. Sige nga. We just need to keep pushing lanes. Gank MF, yeah. I just need to secure those last few items before.
Sige, sige.
Hindi,
Okay.
si Creoles yung mid eh.
Oo, tama. Sige. Okay. Uy, di sila nagban.
Ano ba
Kinabahan.
ano mo, Aizen? Mas jungle ka ba kaysa top lane?
Jungle, oh. Mas jungle ako. Yeah, so, as of 8:22, kukunin ko na yung mga pangalan nyo. Ayan. Pumutok ka na eh. Oh my goodness. Nako, Warwick versus Victor. Oh my god. Victor for the win. Uy. Teka lang. Sige, echo pa rin tayo. If it ain't broke, bro. If it ain't broke, don't fucking fix it. Okay, echo. Echo.
时间不在于你拥有多少，而在于你
Ayan,
怎
oh.
样使用。
No, not her. Punch it. That's one way to stop it.
Enemy is dominating. Shut down.
Ako ng pampakain sa memory.
明天是我最担心
Enemy
的事情。
slain.
Yep.
Enemy slain.
Wait lang, kailangan na natin wardenan tong ano. Wala tayong vision dito. Nagbabaro niya ata itong mga to Tagal na nila
Mag-start
nawawala
ba?
sa mapa.
Ayun, si Yasuo.
Wardan ko lang to.
Ward lang
Warded
kami.
Tara, pick. Yan, tayo dito.
Gonna have to pull.
常在追赶着我，
Come on. Up. Andito na yung ipis. And he's okay. Oh, what could have been? I'm getting weepy. What the fuck?
Ally
Nako.
slain.
Sige, dragon tayo. Ano sila nag-teamfight sila sa taas eh.
Enemy slain.
Be a good lineup for Echo Jungle. Ayan. This is gonna be the last game, boys. The last game. Yeah, we're definitely good to go. Yerp. Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Eisenhart. Welcome back to the stream. Now they're making more series, more League of Legends inspired series. The series says, I'm being dumb, but they're gonna make more stories based off of League of Legends lore. So this Wala. Pangit ng... Wala na. Pumangit na. Tilted na ako. Ang aga. Yeah, it's fine. First game. Nice. Good job, Ash. Hello, Heart. Ay, ang aga. Oh my god, ano yun? Nag-delay. Wait lang, sige. Ah. This game as well. So, I'll be watching with Arcane Jinx herself. Hindi ko pa siya kompleto. Actually, my girlfriend gave this to me. Thank you, sweetie, by the way. Yeah, hindi ko pa siya kompleto. Oh, he's hurting himself. Okay, tower. Let's re-queue, tapos jungle ulit tayo. Kenis? Parang parang sinusubok na tayo ng panahon ah. 'Di ba? Pumaldo din yung mga nakalaro namin eh. Wala pang isang oras 'yun. Abby stream, ay thank you Fuyu. Ayan, I appreciate you. I'll remember the name, pero yung original Demacia kasi ito. It was founded after Who's this? Ayan, so yun yung auto aim niya, okay? Masasanay rin mga players diyan, hopefully, yeah. Yung mga sanay na kasi baka kasi, 'di ba? Oh, okay. Mel going Super Saiyan 3? Oh, 'di ba? Upheld agad siya. Ito ka lang nakapupunta. This blind guy needs to die. Nice one.
Magnus.
Siya
Magnus
So, pick
yung
nga
favorite
kayo.
mo.
Mamaya na ako pipik. Yan.
Have a wonderful night.
Enemy turret destroyed.
You can sleep now.
You have slain an enemy.
Oh my god, I lagged a little bit.
Enemy turret
Okay,
destroyed.
we're good.
Enemy slain.
Sige na, ipapush nyo na lang. If by some miracle this... Oh, teka lang. Thank you, sweetie. Nasa gitna siya eh. Wait lang. Ayun niya. So, wait lang. Yung recall ko dito rin sa kabila. Bigla-bigla na lang tatalon yan. Sayang yung Baron kanina. Nag-decide kasi sila mag-commit dun sa sa push. Well,
Wala ko eh, oo.
Oh, 5 hours ng
Okay.
practice yan si Tito Spicy.
Five hours ako
Para lang sa laban na to.
Puro talo. Let's go.
Talo pa tayo, loko.
Talo pa tayo.
Sumama ko sa kanina.
Because their tank is Malphite. Ayan. Kaso mag-i-AP yan.
What, Salo? Yeah, nung nakita niya si Salo, he was shocked because he saw the marks. He saw those weren't eyes, by the way. Well, yeah. I agree. Na the final episode should have been at least an hour and a half. Ano siya? Naka-undying siya? Loko yun ah. Kaya mamatay. Shimmer, refine. Default skin by any Victor sa Wild Rift or hindi. This is the default skin. And this is gonna be the default version of what. Yan. Freedom! Hello, Freedom. Welcome to the stream. Oy, thank you pala for the sub, man. I appreciate you. I just saw. Ayan, salamat po sa pag-sub. Sa China, yes. It's always on. By the way, it's a team VC. Hindi siya yung pre-made party. Kunwari, ganyan. Minor setback. We're gonna have our queue in a bit.
Ally slain.
困难的方式搞定它。
Sige.
Jason! Tanya!
Oh, shot mo.
Gege! Tangin, sumak mo lang.
Sakit.
Ay!
Oy, galit na yung ano natin.
Galit na.
Sige.
Hindi.
Okay.
Si Creolis yung mid eh.
Oo, tama. Sige. Okay. Uy, di sila nagban.
Ano ba
Kinabahan.
ano mo, Aizen? Mas jungle ka ba kaysa top lane?
Jungle, mas jungle ako. Ano man lang sinabi. Patry ka list na next, hindi ko mag-get yung ult niya. Basically, kukunin mo lang yung teammate mo, tapos ibabato mo sa... Zoom. Naghilong Soraka, sayang. Oh, that heal, bro. That hurt me. Sayang, patay na sana yung Graves. Bumalik lang yung buhay niya.
Ally slain.
Sayang. Ganda sana nun. Go Nasus, pukpukin mo. Bang. Nice. We're good.
Enemy turret.
Oh. Top 100 siya. I told you guys. Mamamatay pa siya. Good body block. I'll be tanking all the damage from now on. Ayan. That's how you use a third skill. Yung SS niya sa niya ba kusang sumusunod sa enemy. There you go. No! Oh my god. Wala, mabibait lang ako dyan eh. So for example, may kalabang ka manggagaling doon, hindi mo siya makikita. Pwera na lang kung
Kailangan natin mas patan yung ringer kung saan pupunta eh. Hindi ako makalis sa mid, auto-clear yung ano.
Oo, logi ka talaga sa lab niya.
Mamatay na ako. Yung Victor.
Punta na ako. Nandiyan ako.
Yung Victor nasa likod ah. Patayan si Victor sa'yo. Nice one.
there we go. Tak, suntok, sige. Build lethality kasi siya yung lethal Varus compared to uy, ano to? Wait lang. Echoes of Heart buffs allies. I'm not a support. Grants Still, fire, sayang. Namatay ako bago ko pa mapindot yung smite. Okay, patay naman si Olaf. Oh, may
Laban yan.
Kaya ba? Wala akong ano. Nakulong ako eh. Ayun.
Ito lang, may tumatawag sa akin.
It destroyed everything.
Salamat po. Ayan, guys, please do follow Hypex. And one of our pioneer streamers ng Wild Rift sa formerly sa, 'di ba?
Queue up na tayo. Wala pa namang gusto sumali. Yeah, queue up naman na tayo. Queue up na muna.
Tayo, guys?
Oo nga eh. Naghanap pa naman ako ng ano. Sabi ko, nag-wild trip ka ba? Sabi niya, hindi daw. Sabi ko, sige,
Hindi.
sakto. May chance akong manalo, 10,000 wild course.
Dapat kasi yung mga sayang. Op, Aris.
Okay na to. Okay na to. G. Guys, ayoko matalo guys ha. Galingan natin. Hindi tayo mananalo sa trash talk pag talo tayo. Oo.
Medyo may kalakihan yung gold na nakukuha. Nako.
Oh, he's nearing the center. Wait, did he get out? Oh, what is that? Cards. Or are these cards that are specifically for Battlefield only? Because that doesn't look like.
Sali sila.
Ay!
Sorry
GG
tuloy.
Sira ulo to. Sinabihan pa ako GG dito sa stream ko.
Ay,
Ano
oh my
yun?
God, tayo Imbis tayo
Ito.
magsabi na.
Di ba na pag-usapan na natin to, sisindikatuhin natin dapat?
Ano?
Puro challenger yung mga pinanalo nyo.
Yun yung nakuha ng ruleta.
Ay, sayang.
Siya Loko, pastak naman ako.
Ay, ganun ba?
Hard job mo eh.
So, okay.
O dito, kunin na natin to.
Sige.
Planted. Bombs have been planted. Manako, may lens. Nakalente sila. Linong Garen sa teamfight. Garen, hello, where are you? Sayang yun, andun yung mundo. May... Sabagay, sige, unahin mo na yung top.
Enemy slain.
And they're gonna adapt one of the storylines na ni-release nila recently in one of their games. Hopefully they adapt the Ruination story.
Patunayan. Okay. Puta, akala niya SSC lang hindi niya kaya.
Oy, boss.
Kami
Shots
rin.
fired. Shots fired, boss. Shots fired.
Yung SSC lang hindi niya kaya.
Alvin A. Sabasquez, CN? No, I'm on the C server. You support? Napilit. There we go. Clan Feros.
down in Zon? Is the air in Piltover too fresh today?
There we go. So, if you guys don't know, Clan Morgana, good. Nice. Okay, ban CC champions. Ban the champions that snowball hard, bro. Binan si Timo. May spari pero may poison pa rin ako. After this, I'll recall kasi may parating pa akong... Wala ba siyang ignite?
Slain.
Oh, buti na lang hindi niya ginamit yung ignite niya. What the f... Woo!
我去前面探探路。
First ban, Heimer, Hayu pa. With the U.
With a U.
With the U. Heimer, Dinger, Urgot.
Pabango send ko sa'yo.
Huwag niyong baban yung galya.
Nice one, Melmadonna going for that global support. Uh-oh. Bumalik tuloy lahat. Why don't you blow the whole thing up? Mel with the barrier. Ambessa too much. This is gonna be it's gonna be a little different. We are going to be watching the last 3 episodes of Arcane Season 2, which will be the finale. Okay, we'll be watching Arcane Season 2, but... Dito tayo. Ayun, oh, kayang... Yeah, those rewinds are just perfect, bro. Those rewinding time is really fun to do. We're good.
Turret destroyed.
Riot Cook with this one. That's why I want to play 2xKO on my new PC. And hello guys. Wow, Jesus. Where did you guys come from? Sa Facebook. Hello. Okay. Come here. Come here. Don't you run away. It's fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Pang. Isa pa. Players that have good attitude or that have good behavior with other players. That's the only thing that's good with the Chinese server. But it's the same thing. Okay? It's the same thing. Nakakasira talaga ng laro yung frame drop. Nakakainis yung pag ganun. Ayun ay kung tinutulungan nyo ako dito, di ba?
A storm is coming, and it will strike. Please, stand with me.
My body's on the line now. I fucking knew it, bro. I knew it. He saw everything. I told you boys, Jace didn't do anything wrong.
Ano to?
Hindi mo lang ako pinagpawisan doon.
Papatay ko na yata itong TikTok na to. Pre, pabuta ako dyan, pre, ha? Pwede ka na makipag-trade dyan. Time na yata.
Try natin yan. Ano yan? Kira ako eh. Oh.
Ang main ko si Mengi, ha?
Si Mengi, ah?
Hindi yan, pa nag-blazing the wet ako.
Wow!
Blazing the wet.
Wow!
Si ano yun ha? Si...
Riven is low. Oh, kaso may buhay na yan pagpunta ko dyan eh. Kasi nagpiping spike ako dito sa Streamlabs ko kasi iniba ko yung ayan. So for naubos agad niya yung ano ko. Okay.
Ando kami sa edad.
Uy!
Grabe naman yun.
Experience.
Si Rebenga magpapaliwanag dyan pag mga usapang experience.
Tatrabaho.
Ingat. So good to be Echo. Just powered time travel, bro.
So, the Poindexters are trying to get all their Syntixi back. And Zarkon seemed to think I was working
Excuse me. Boots, where are my boots? Apple sorcerers. Kane, nice okay.
正在报告。
Doon na tayo. Malapit na. Vince XP, hello. Ito. Saan tayo? Oh, andito na si Ipis. Andito na po si Ipis. Wala po tayong ano. Nice, okay. Good. Ayoko muna lumapit. Okay, 8 here. We're good. Sa amin yung DR, nice. Yes, sa ano, sa Steam ngayon. Yeah, please do follow Kuya Navi din. Ayan. Shit. So, I'm with 1 health bar to spare. So where do I go? There we go. Wait lang, iiwan ko lang dito saglit. I'll just... Hindi, antayin ko muna. Sige, pick muna tayo. Yeah, you're not for Caitlyn. Go away.
Okay, that explains the... Okay.
Vi, nandito, Vi.
Herald na lang, Herald.
Sige, puta ko. Ni
Herald
Spartan
na lang,
ako.
Herald.
Sige, puta na ako.
On the way.
Fast to. Clear ka agad. Tas gagamitin na.
Phew! Ah, my God. Ang bagal kasi ng Darius. Kakaspawn niya lang. Grabe yung Kalista. Ano yan? Wala. Sige, red key na lang tayo.
Especially on TikTok, because TikTok has a huge community right now, especially the TikTok content creators. We get huge viewers, and so
Tanggalin mo yan. Wait lang, Diana. Diana is actually really good as well kasi na-rework din siya eh. I don't see Jax yet. Could be just farming in his side. Hindi ko na tinulungan yung Echo, sayang. Wala, ayaw na. Okay.
Kasi yun, get challenger players. Wait, only Iron.
Nasaan na si